No one may be following this case closer than Lena Bondarenko. As the human resources director of the Russian company Brightbox, she looks at hundreds of LinkedIn profiles every day.
LinkedIn's a platform where human resources and job candidates meet, and if it's shut, where are we going to meet?
Bondarenko says there's no Russian LinkedIn equivalent, so it's the best online platform for professionals to promote their skills and connect with companies that are hiring. But this court in Moscow agreed with the lower court to ban LinkedIn. It agrees with the Kremlin's argument that LinkedIn is breaking the law by not storing Russian users' data on servers in Russia. Roskomnadzor, the Kremlin media watchdog, didn't respond to our request for comment, but recently told the Moscow Times LinkedIn had a bad track record, and every year there's major scandal about the safety of user data. Just earlier this year, a Russian hacker tried to sell information on more than 160 million LinkedIn users. The Kremlin says it must protect the privacy of user data, but some worry this could open the door for Moscow to crack down on more popular social media sites.
All social networks in Russia are under threat today, and not just social networks, but any websites with user-generated content.
But some Russians believe the government toughened its social media stance after anti-government protests in 2011 and 2012 were organized online. Though open internet advocates think it would be tough for the Kremlin to crack down on Twitter and Facebook since they are so immensely popular. For Bondarenko, her worry is how she's going to find qualified candidates for the top positions she needs to fill.
I can't imagine how I could work without LinkedIn.
This isn't a done deal just yet. LinkedIn has 6 months to appeal this court's decision and move the case to an even higher court. But in the meantime, the government can still place LinkedIn on the list of banned websites. Kevin Ozebek, CCTV, Moscow.